let me show you how to extend the building in Photoshop. Start by creating a new layer, then go into filter, vanishing point. From here define to 4 corner nodes for each face. You can hold down the X key to temporarily zoom in to help you better. Define your plane, make sure to match the perspective accordingly. Release the X key to zoom out and extend the face to include the details. Paste the edge of the building, then hold Ctrl on Windows, Command on the Mac, and drag the grid to the opposite side to generate the second face. Again tap on the X key to zoom in and adjust the corners to match the building. Extend the grid if need be. Now expand the faces of the building. Up select the rectangular marquee tool and select the contents of the grid. Then drag the selection down to match the top of the building. Hold Alt on Windows, Option on the Mac, and drag up to duplicate the selected pixels. Repeated this process several times, and this is my final result.